Hi, good morning. My name is Nagaraju MS, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Government First Year College, Tumkur. Now I am going to present the paper on human rights. This is open elective paper in UG courses in Tumkur University. Today my topic focus on meaning and features of human rights. Meaning of human rights. Durgadas Basu said human rights are those minimum rights which every individual must have against the state or other public authority. According to the Bennett, the human rights include those areas of individual or group of freedom that are the human rights are the basic, inherent, inalienable and natural rights of human being which accrue to him by virtue of his being a human person, irrespective of caste, creed, color, race, religion, sex, language, ideology, or nationality. In other words, human rights are rights which accrue to an individual by virtue of his being a human being, and without which he cannot live as a human being. Now, mainly I am focused on characteristics of or features of human rights. The first one is human rights represent the basic values. Then second one is human rights exclusively belong to human beings. Human rights accrue to an individual by virtue of his birth alone. As human rights accrue to individuals by virtue of their being human beings. They are inherent in all human beings, irrespective of their caste, creed, color, race, religion, sex, nationality, etc. Human rights are universal, that is, they cannot be found in virtually in every culture, civilization, religion, philosophy, and they belong to all human beings across the world. And they belong to all human beings across the world. The human rights can be sought only in an organized society or community where civil society and social order exists. Human rights recognize the values of dignity, worth and equality of all members of the human race. This is clear from the declaration of the World Conference on Human Rights held in Vienna in 1993. As per this declaration, all human rights are derived from the dignity and worth inherent in the human person, and that the human person is the central subject of human rights and fundamental freedoms. Human rights are inalienable because without these rights, people cannot lead a dignified and decent human life. Human rights, it is a generic term. The term covers civil and political rights and social, economic and cultural rights. Human rights are indivisible, interdependent and interrelated. All human rights are equal in importance. Human rights cannot be disposed or extinguished. Human rights are intended to protect the dignity of the individual and create conditions in which he can develop his personality to the fullest extent. Human rights are transnational, that is, people enjoy these rights wherever they reside. There is no territorial limitation on human rights. Human rights are associated with the traditional concept of natural law and natural rights. Human rights are eternal, that means it is everlasting. Human rights are as old as human civilization. Human rights are recognized and protected not only by the national laws but also by international laws. Human rights protected by not only governmental agencies but also non-governmental organizations are seriously involved in the advocacy of human rights. Human rights are the basic norms of democracy. Human rights constitute the essential conditions of good and prosperous life of individuals. Enumerated in the constitutions of many countries because they are available not only to citizens but also to aliens, stateless persons, refugees, prisoners of war, inmates of jails, under trials, disabled persons, minorities, etc. Human rights provide suitable conditions for the physical, material, moral, and spiritual development of individuals. So, human rights are not the gift of any government, and also they cannot be removed by the government because the human rights are permanent, human rights are eternal, human rights are not transferable. So, in Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 10th December 1948, the importance of human rights, fundamental and non-transferred or removable rights which are essential for the life of man. All the persons enjoyed, there is no discrimination. These human rights naturally attach with the man's nature. Human rights are not created by the legislature. Human rights do not come under the amendment procedure. Human rights are the instruments for defending democratic values. Thank you.